All right, here we have the Geo Pro toy hauler. One trip in it. Probably about 20 camping days in it. Tires are perfect. Pretty much as new with all the accessories, the outside griddle, the backup camera, the tire pressure sensors, the hoses, all the gear that comes with it. Pretty much as new. Total mileage, ooh, maybe 5,000 miles. There we have a Ducati in there. I added these rails so you can put two Ducatis and a Vespa in here is what I fit in here. I would say two bikes or one nice one. Everything folds down, all the lights work, microwave, combination oven, range, bathroom, pumps, solar panels too. That pretty much this thing is running on solar right here. Keeps the refrigerator going. I put a couple extra rails in to hang all my motocross gear, then motorcycle gear. Here's a nice size refrigerator. So if you look up the Geo Pro website, this is a 19TH, which is the toy hauler. Then they have one that has a bed in the front, but you can't fit more than one bike in it. Bathroom, typical RV bathroom. Added that cabinet. Doesn't come with the sheets. There's what you know what, where all the business happens. Looking good here. Got steps that are adjustable. It's an electric awning. And why am I selling it? Because I bought a much bigger unit. That one, which is a Outback Ultralight. So anyway, come buy this thing. It's pretty groovy. Let me get to the tag so you can see what is going up. Electric jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, and there's your stuff. Turn your head sideways. There it is. Come buy it. Could be yours.